Okay, let's play a quick game. I'll ask people to do their best silly dance for 5 seconds. Hi, can I ask you a quick fun question?
Sure.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be? Flying.
Wow, that's amazing. I wish I could fly too.
You know what, Light? Moments like that remind me why humanity is still beautiful. Sometimes it's not about fame or views, it's about connection.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your guide to growing online, creating amazing videos, and earning real money from your creativity. Today, we're talking about something that so many people want to know: how to create vlog videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook and actually make money from them. Whether you want to share your daily life, your travel experiences, or your unique talent, vlogging can truly change your life. So make sure to stay till the end, because I'll explain everything from choosing your niche, shooting, editing, uploading, growing your audience, and turning your vlog into income. Let's begin. A vlog is simply a video blog, your personal story, thoughts, or experiences shared in video form. You can vlog about anything you love: your morning routine, your trips, your street food adventures, your fitness progress, or your opinions. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or a big team. You just need your phone, your creativity, and your consistency. The first step to a successful vlog is choosing your niche, your main topic or theme. Here are some ideas: travel vlogs to explore cities and adventures, food vlogs to review restaurants or cook at home, lifestyle vlogs to share your daily life, tech and gaming vlogs to review products or play games, entertainment vlogs with pranks or challenges, and educational vlogs to share tutorials and how-to tips. Pick something that excites you, because passion always beats perfection. Even a fun vlog needs a plan. You don't have to write a full script, just plan your key points. Write down what you want to show or talk about, decide your locations, think about your opening scene, and make sure your video has a small story, a beginning, a middle, and an end. Add variety, mix talking clips, background shots, and reactions. A good vlog feels like you're taking your audience on a journey. Now comes the fun part: shooting your vlog. You can start with your phone camera, no need for expensive gear. Always shoot in good lighting. Natural daylight works best. Keep your camera steady, use a tripod, or hold it with both hands. Record in a quiet place for clear sound, or use a small mic if you have one. Try different angles, close-ups, wide shots, and creative perspectives. And always capture extra clips, like your surroundings, food, or people. These make your vlog more cinematic and interesting. Once you've shot your clips, it's time to edit. Editing is where your vlog truly comes alive. If you're a beginner, use free mobile apps like CapCut, VN, or InShot. For advanced editing, you can try Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Trim out boring parts, add music and transitions, and make sure your cuts are smooth and fast-paced. Add text, sound effects, and subtitles. They help viewers stay engaged. And always use copyright-free music from YouTube's audio library or safe platforms. When your vlog is ready, upload it the right way. On YouTube, use a catchy title that includes your keywords, write a detailed description, and use bright, eye-catching thumbnails. On TikTok and Facebook Reels, post in vertical format with trending sounds and hashtags. Keep your videos short and fun on these platforms. Post consistently, 1 or 2 videos every week, because consistency helps you grow fast.